how to completely turn off Instagram Instants. If you don't want to see or use Instagram Instants anymore, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and open Settings and Activity. Scroll down and tap Content Preferences. Now, turn on the toggle for Hide Instants in Inbox. Once it's enabled, the Instants feature will no longer appear in your Instagram inbox, and you won't receive new instants from other people. If you also want to stop Instants notifications, go back to Settings and Activity, tap Notifications, then scroll down to Instants and turn off all the notification options. If you ever want to use Instants again, simply return to the same settings and turn Hide Instants in Inbox off. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.